Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Merge Pals token. Ticker symbol is MERGE. Now it was just announced that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, February 12th, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it was just announced on Twitter that this token here will be listed tomorrow, February 12th at 8 a.m. UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. It says Merge Pals, a mobile mini app game available on World App, Telegram, and soon to be online, will be coming to Mexc Global February 12th, 8 a.m. So if you're looking to get this token here and you don't have a Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Merge, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So going on today, a day prior to the Mexc Global listing, there is a Kickstarter event where you can vote with MX tokens, which is Mexc Global's token, and potentially win airdrops. And there is a reward pool available of exactly 30,000 USDT, which is equivalent to 12 million Merge tokens. So check that out on Mexc today. Now you can check out Merge Pals community chat Telegram at Merge Pals Chat, and they have over 31,300 community members on there, over 4,600 online. And then there, if you want to play the game, the Dapp, the bot, is at Merge Pals Bot on Telegram. Now this token is on the TON blockchain. You know, these tap to earn Telegram games using TON tokens are very popular. And so that is why, this one's on TON as well. You know, it's in the Telegram mini app game. You can find links on their webpage, mergepals.io. So Merge Pals stands as a leading game in the Merge Pals ecosystem, integrating unique gameplay elements to create an engaging and rewarding experience. The game combines strategy, social interaction, and blockchain-powered assets, providing players with a fun and accessible entry point into the Web3 gaming. Now, on their document section, you can find all sorts of links about the features and everything like that, but the core gameplay, it says the gameplay of Merge Pals is designed to be accessible yet strategic, allowing players to progress at their own pace while rewarding thoughtful decision-making. One of the standout features of the game's idle mode, where players' resources continue to accumulate even when they are not actively playing the game. And this ensures steady and rewarding progress without requiring constant attention. So there's merging pets. The core gameplay revolves around merging identical pets. Players start with basic pets and can merge them into create higher level versions. As pets level up, their ability to generate resources improves, leading to faster progress. There's resource generation, so pets automatically generate resources over time. By merging pets and leveling them up, players can increase the rate of resource generation. And these resources can be used for various in-game enhancements, such as upgrading pets, unlocking special features, or customizing virtual pets. Now, the customizable virtual pets, it says a unique feature in Merge Pals allows players to create and personalize virtual spaces, and these spaces can be upgraded to provide additional benefits such as increased resource generation, exclusive rewards, and further customization options. There is idle mode. So even when players are not actively playing, the game's idle mode ensures that their pets continue to generate resources, maintaining a sense of ongoing progression. This feature is ideal for players who prefer a more relaxed gameplay style while still earning rewards. And then there is challenges and progression. As players progress, the game introduces new challenges and tasks that encourage strategic thinking. Players must decide which pets to merge, when to upgrade their spaces, and how best to use their resources to maximize rewards. There's optimal enhancements. Players can choose to enhance their gameplay experience through optional in-app purchases. These upgrades allow players to accelerate and progress and achieve higher levels of success within the ecosystem. So they have here the merge staking, which is coming soon. You can the staking feature will be accessible through the dedicated tab in the game. You can choose from multiple staking options based on how much merge you want to stake. Once staked, these tokens cannot be withdrawn early. They will be released only after the staking period ends. The first reward is received immediately on day 0. The additional rewards distributed is set at intervals. Rewards will be sent via in-game mail and distributed off-chain, and you can stake multiple times, stacking rewards across different staking periods. Now, the token here, it's the utility token designed for use within the Merge Pals ecosystem. The token will provide players with a means to interact with the game economy, reward participation, and facilitate in-game transactions. The ecosystem, seed investors, and team allocations include linear vesting periods. Now, there's a total supply of 2 billion tokens. As I mentioned earlier, it's on the TON blockchain. You can see it on TON Viewer. And 60% of the tokens go to airdrop, 10% ecosystem, 10% seed investors, 8% exchange, 7% liquidity provision, 5% team. So this token here is available as of tomorrow on Mexc Global. You can check out the Kickstarter event for this project on Mexc today, and then the listing will be tomorrow. Like I said, if you don't have an account, check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.